high over here. Just about to hit that high. So I just want to see if this wants to continue up. So I took this trade live with you guys. Let's see if this works out. Profit could be taken, say 20 points right here. We're almost there. This whole time we were waiting on this low to be made on the 5-minute, and then we were seeing what price really wanted to do, and if it wanted to reject this. So honestly, I would expect this to either hit my break even or come lower, because we just hit this high here on ES. Conditions aren't the fucking best right now, and I don't know why they haven't been, but it is what it is. Been having a lot of break evens this week, but been focusing on my execution, which is important. So happy that I managed that trade well, left it open, won it consolidated, but I know when to move it to break even when we hit these highs. So we hit these highs. I was targeting these highs up here. This is a paper. I'm going to close that one. We're targeting these relative equal highs right up here. We didn't quite hit those. They're probably going to go hit now, but I don't think the risk is worth it because we already hit the highs there on ES. Look at that 3-minute wick. I don't really like that either. So another break even for the books. Here's what it is. We'll see if it keeps going though. It'll be fun to watch. Bitcoin dying, dude. Right after it hits all-time high again. Yo, this is like a scam, bro. This dies off. I'd say it's a scam. Nah. Keep watching, guys. About to get a bearish closure on this bitch. Excuse my language, not really, but let's look. You got this 1 minute for value gap here. We're back down below that other inversion on the 1 minute. So you see this here, you're not blind. At least I don't think you are. We have higher high there, lower high here. I'd say we're going for this low now. I mean, I'm flip-flopping, but like, you gotta in these kind of conditions, you know? Higher high, bearish. I mean, I don't think we should come back up above this high if we're going to go bearish. I would say that high needs to stay intact if we're going to go bearish. We have not hit any of these lows. At least as of yet. I would say we're going to go bearish. I'm going to take one more short here. This will be my last trade of the day. Okay, so break even. Be buy stop. I would say data low is our target today. Boom! Instantly in profit. But I come right back to break even. I don't give a fuck. But let's see. We're going, like I was telling you guys, 80 points today. If it goes. Or another break even because my entry wasn't the best because I was over on the other chart. But anyways, just looking for this low here. So this would now be a buy limit if it wants to go to take profit. Unless it actually wants to reject this 5 minute for value gap and go long, which you're looking for earlier. But at this point, I don't think that's going to happen. But if we were going to go bullish, I would have said that 1 minute should have held. From here, where I took that long over here, I would say that 1 minute should have held if we were going to go long. $500 in profit. We're looking to pass this account, so we just need another 1,000 more. So yeah, just another 1,000 more profit from here. So that'd be about 80 to 1,000 points or whatever you want to call it. So we'll be funded with 50K again if I hit this take profit. If not, just break even and I wait for the next trade setup. Which it's like to the point of where like, yeah, it could be passed again or whatever. It's like break evens happen so much and they come back, and I mean, ideally, like this is where it's good. Take the profit now, you know, and then just wait for the next trade. Or like I'm thinking these data lows can be hit down here, so I'm just staying. I'm gonna stay in this trade here. You know, I have a narrative of bearishness now. If we were gonna go long, I think that would have happened already. I think I could get hit out of break even and not even be in the trade at all, and like that's fine to me. Completely numb to any outcome here. At the same time, we have like SMT. We're getting these bearish closures. We're now about to get another 5-minute bearish closure down below this 5-minute fair value gap, which would turn that to an inversion. So that inversion level, we wouldn't want to see it come back up above this. So that's kind of where my buy stop is anyway. So I'm going to leave that there. And from data lows, I mean, if you don't know what data lows are, data is the news that comes out from 8:30. We made the high and we made the low. We obviously hit the high. There's so many people long right now, and there's so many stop losses down here, and there's stop losses down here. So I'm just looking for this. I can see it come back to here. I wouldn't want to see it come back up above this 5-minute inversion now, but I can see it come back up to here and then manipulate its way down. Obviously, I'd like to just go to TP, but I don't always get what I want, okay? And that's not how the market works, and you got to realize that. You got to realize that. You don't always get what you want. But 70 points, I think, on this trade could pass this. I believe it's like 75 points. We'll see. 70 points is around 8:30. No, not 8:30. At midnight. Holy fuck. Maybe I do get what I want. It goes right away. This is cool. It's just fun to watch, guys. You know, it's... Don't feel any type of way. It's just fun to watch. It could just rip right back up and just go, yeah, fuck you. We're not going for the low. Which you might, you know. It could just rip right back up on through. And I mean, it's the name of the game, you know. Could lock it in, $800 profit, or let it go to break even, you know. One or the other. It's either... I'm leaving it like this. It's either pass the account or break even. It's like, pick one. That's what I'm leaving it at. Preferably, I would not want to see it come back up here now. Since we opened up, we traded down. I don't want to see it come back up. I'd want to see it just... If it was going to go back up, I'd like to see it already do it and then come down. I'm not really trying to fuck with this shit. But now we're back in this area. We're already so bullish. Now we're hitting all these order blocks. Yes, we got data lows. Yes, we have this internal low. But do we need it now? Not necessarily. We came into this 5-minute fair value gap on ES. We have these lows down there. We just inverse this 5-minute. DXY over here. What the hell's she doing? She just hit this low, now she's ripping up. Maybe she goes this high. I don't know. If she goes that high, then we're selling off. So well, let's pay attention. Pay attention. We'll keep watching here. See how much we get. Let's pay attention to the mental game, you know? Even when the trade wins, I don't care if I'm in it or not. My trade will be easy to spot when it presents itself. So like this was pretty easy for me to spot. Tapering the price. Talk about the setup. Focus on execution, not the money. Say aloud, I'm placing my stop below here, this order block, because price should not reach down here, which is why I'm placing my stop above here, because price should not reach up here if we're going to go to this low. That's just how I'm looking at price action. I missed a trade, so it's okay. It wasn't clear in the moment. Then you could like be mad at yourself for being distracted or whatever. But yeah, let's just see here. Let's go, baby. All right, another $400 away, and then we pass. So 400 from here. Where was that? Right here. So just be 20 points away. Is this gonna pass me or is it not? I think it should be right here. Oh my god, it's 50 bucks away from passing. Just drop. I'm obviously getting a little bit emotional, but Jesus. Bless me, Jesus. So what just happened to all these? We pulled back, we hit that area. So let us do its thing, you know? We came back to the 830 open, but we never hit the lows. Let's go! We're passed! We're funded! Let's fucking go! Excuse my language. Okay, cool, whatever. I'm just gonna go eat lunch like I was normally gonna do anyway. Let's go! That was sweet. That was a sweet move. But yeah, hope everybody learned something. Now we're gonna reject right off this. This was the area I was looking at earlier. You see this blue box? This was actually an area I was looking for the buy that I missed earlier. This blue box here was a 5-second fair value gap. So 5 seconds are crazy, but with the news that comes out, they leave signatures, they leave clues. So I was actually looking this morning for price to trade down into there, and then I get a reaction and then take a trade on a 1 minute or 2 minute or 3 minute time frame. But look at that blue box. That's right here. I was just on the 5 second. Look how we come right down to this blue box now. Here, let me take that off the screen. Look how we react off that blue box on the 5 second chart. So, yeah. All right. So, this is the reality of trading. Take a buy, get a break even. Take a sell, get a break even. Take a buy, get a break even. And it's like, I'm looking for this to go higher because we reacted out that 5 minute fair value gap, remember? Shifted lower. We shouldn't have shifted lower if we were going to go long. So I'm like, all right, we're dropping. So take the sell, cover the sell, lock in the profit. Boom. Beautiful, sexy beast right here. But lock it in, lock it in. Lock it in. All right, I'm just going to screenshot this and do the typical bullshit of posting it online here. I just want to document my journey with everybody, you know. It helps me be more disciplined, and I want to help like inspire others too.